I'm driving down the road in my Cadillac. Traffic lights nearby are all turning black. Drinking gasoline is all I do. Drinking gasoline to get over you. We were doing swell with a short way from heaven to hell. Well, I met you in the desert at Zabriskie Point. Out of gasoline, ran out of oil. You really filled my tank, you quite tuned me up. Drinking gasoline out of your silver cup. We were doing swell with a short way from heaven. Well, I drove 10,000 miles away from home. See no traffic jam, but ain't no desert storm. Drinking silver cup is all I do. Drinking silver cup, baby, me and you. We were doing swell with a short way from heaven to hell.
Well, today we stripped most of the interior out. Still got some headliner. So much mouse shit raining down. We've had enough for the day. But we got doors clean. Seats out.
Engine started smoking, wings on fire. Big wheel started shaking and I lost
Got the back seat. Front seat. The one that had a stand under it. The hood off. The dog was helping. All the panels off. Old hard leather. Found a spare tire. Started working on the front end too. The bumper and all that ripped off. Had to grind most of these fasteners. They were not agreeing with us. We have a mountain of parts forming. Trim, interior, transmission. The original radio was in there. Doesn't seem to do much. All the windows, trim, fasteners. This little gem. Can't even see anything in it. The wife was helping. She's not happy because she got rained on with mouse poo. We'll keep cruising. So far that was about 2.5 hours total, I'd say.
Doggy, sit. What a good boy.